Segway Powersports, it probably released it a little too soon, but they started talking about the Super Villain, which got everybody excited and kind of put their name on the market. Unfortunately, we haven't seen the Super Villains hit the market yet. So it was a hybrid model, which I doubt we're gonna see at all. And then there's also a 4-cylinder turbo model, which we're hopefully gonna see about Q2 of next year. So sometime in 2025, we might really get that. But what they did release was 1,000cc naturally aspirated Villains. So instead of the Super Villain, we have the Villain models. There's 2 different models. One's a 64-inch, one's a 72-inch. So that's the main difference. It's all in the suspension of it. K-Man shocks on the 72-inch is a slight upgrade from the shocks that they have on the 64-inch. But like, as you can see, both of them are almost identical behind me. The 72-inch model, we have added a lot of aftermarket accessories. So anything that has come to the market that we were able to get, for instance, like the DRT trunk enclosure and spare tire carrier, the upgraded front winch bumper and grille, also by DRT, and then like the lower doors, Segway lower doors. So we've been adding accessories to it, shock therapy radius rods. So the things that we've gotten to the market, wheels and tires, have all been added to the 72-inch model. So it makes it a little bit more of an upgraded model. I don't know if we're still gonna have it by the time you watch this video, but check out our current inventory. Click the link below, furymotorsports.com.
Run.